friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise and I absolutely love Halloween, so I thought what better way to kick off the spooky season than to give you guys 25 sexy Halloween costume ideas. So before we get into that, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video that really made today's video possible, and that is Casetify. So as you guys already know, if you're a returning subscriber, I am literally the clumsiest person in the world. I'm always falling over, I'm always breaking things, and as such I broke my phone within 2 weeks of having it. Although it did have a case on, not a Casetify case though, and a break inside the case, which is why I now only use Casetify cases. As Casetify has drop protection with their Chi Tech 2.0 technology, and this offers drop protection for up to 9.8 feet, which is 2.98 meters for the Ultra Impact case. And trust me when I say I've tried a lot of phone cases, and this is by far the most protective and also the slimmest that is most protective in the world. Not only are these Casetify cases obviously gorgeous, but their Ultra Impact and Impact cases are made of 65% recycled and plant-based materials. And these cases are keeping us safe by being 100% BPA free, non-toxic, and non-hazardous. And these cases also make a great Christmas gift. Now I know we're only on Halloween, but trust me, your Christmas is going to creep up. It always does. And Casetify cases are really a great Christmas present. Not only do they come in so many different colors and patterns, so there's literally like something for every aesthetic, but you can also personalize them, which I think is such a great gift to give. Like a personalized phone case with something that your friend or loved one loves is amazing. And also Apple recently released their iPhone 13, so if you're thinking of getting that new phone, or you're going to ask for it for Christmas, or you know a friend wants it for Christmas, then I really cannot recommend enough getting a Casetify case to keep it safe. Otherwise you're going to end up with a smashed phone like mine, and no one wants that on their brand new phone because they're expensive. So Casetify is offering you guys 15% off your purchase, so be sure to go to casetify.com/Annalise for 15% off your new phone case, and that'll of course be linked down below as well. Thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring today's video. Now for the 25 sexy Halloween costumes. You guys know I am obsessed with organization, and as such I've divided these costumes into 6 different categories. So we're kicking it off with celebrities, then movies, TV shows, Disney characters, animals, and classic Halloween. So without further ado, let's get on into it. The first costume in the celebrity category of course had to be the iconic Britney Spears. If you don't know what this outfit is, it's Britney. It's from Oops, I Did It Again, and I love it. So easy. So this is just from Boohoo. Paired it with some black boots and did my hair in a side part, and that is literally it, and it's gorgeous. A contender for my personal costume this year. Costume number 2 is also Britney Spears. She's so iconic that I needed to include a second one that was easy to make out of clothes that you already have at home in case you didn't want to buy a costume. So everything that I have here, I literally had at home already. It's all from Shein, and the heels are just a basic pair of black heels with some socks, and it's super cute. So if you don't know, this is from the Hit Me Baby One More Time music video, and it's super iconic and so easy. Another celebrity I absolutely love is Post Malone, so I decided to dress up as him, well, a sexy version of Post Malone. So I just have on a crop top, shorts, this oversized t-shirt. If you have a flannel, that would work great as well, and of course the main part is the face tat. So I'll have these linked down below where I got them from, not sponsored, but I thought it was such a fun idea to dress up as him and just make it like a little bit sick. A Spice Girl is always a great option for a Halloween costume, and this one is super cheap on Boohoo, and also you can definitely get away with wearing it for like the rest of the year. And I miss the UK, so it's absolutely perfect for me, but I love it. All you need is this dress or something similar to this, some red lips, and a red pair of heels, and boom, you are all done. None of these Halloween costumes are gory except for this one. So I am dressed up as Carrie from like the classic horror film, but because it's me, I'm in a short dress. This costume's so easy to make. Just get a dress that you no longer wear, cover yourself in fake blood, and bada bing bada boom, you are all done. Also I've got red heels for like the blood effect, you know, but yeah, love it. So fun. Hope this blood comes off. A Halloween costume video by me of course had to include an Elle Woods costume, because what, like making an Elle Woods costume is hard. So this set is from Fashion Nova, and it's perfectly like the perfect sexy version of Elle Woods' outfit when she first arrives to Harvard. But honestly, any pink 2-piece will do with a pink bag, pink accessories, and you are good to go. Extra props if you have a chihuahua to take with you. One of my favorite Halloween movies is Beetlejuice. So this is my take on a female Beetlejuice. This is not obviously meant to be, you know, it's just meant to be a sexy Beetlejuice, but the wig really said yes, give us nothing. So now we are a female Beetlejuice, and I actually think it's worked out. So all you need is some striped pants, green wig, and I'm wearing some purple lipstick, and boom. Along with the sexy Beetlejuice, I of course needed to have another costume from the movie because it's one of my faves. So this is my version of Lydia's wedding dress. I love it. I love the red cut on this dress to give it a little bit of like the sexy hoey Annalise design, and the veil is super easy. It's just tulle that I pinned all over the wig. So I think this is super cute and a fun Halloween idea. The Purge is one of my favorite horror movies of all time. It's just so scary to me. So y'all know I had to include a Purge costume. So super easy. All you need is this cute black outfit and a Purge mask. I got mine from Boohoo. Super cheap, and that is literally it. Fembot from Austin Powers is a classic Halloween costume that looks super sexy, and best of all, you can actually use this all year round. So this is just a nightie that I got from Shein, and I do actually like use throughout the year, and I've just thrown a white dress underneath it. Honestly, if I was wearing this, I'd probably just wear like cute bikini bottoms or like underwear or something underneath, but for YouTube's sake, I'm wearing a dress, and I've just paired it with some fluffy heels to add to the vibe, and it's so stinking cute and easy and gorge. With the newest addition to this filming room, I of course had to have an Audrey Hepburn inspired costume. So this is inspired by her Breakfast at Tiffany's movie, and I'm obsessed with this. Since it's me, I have a short dress on instead of a long dress, but I also have some gorgeous fluffy heels, the gloves, and all the accessories to make it. And I have an Audrey Hepburn handbag, so I thought I would just include that in this look. This Easy A costume is super easy and gorgeous. So I just got a corset, a black mini skirt, my fake Gucci tights on, and my lace heels, and then I just cut out an A, and that's literally it. It's super sexy, and everyone will of course know what it means. Well, anyone that's seen the movie will definitely recognize this costume instantly. Despite being quite an old movie, Jennifer's body has recently become quite popular again, so I thought that it was the perfect time to recreate one of her outfits for a Halloween costume. So in the scene that I'm recreating, she doesn't have blood all over her yet, but if you wanted to add that feature, you totally can. But I'm just wearing Shein crop top, a jacket over the top, some skinny jeans, which I had to dig in my closet for, and some heels that tie up around the ankle, and of course a brown wig to seal the deal. Regina George's mum from Mean Girls is a great idea if you live somewhere kind of cold, or you just want to be super comfy for the night but still look cute, because all you need is a pink velour tracksuit and some sort of bralette underneath, and a blonde wig if you don't have blonde hair, and boom, you are all done. Oh, you girls keep me so young. That's a Mean Girls quote. I'm a huge Office fan, so of course I had to include a Pam Halloween costume in this video, but because it's me, I wanted to make it a little more like sexy. So this is pretty much the same outfit as the Hit Me Baby One More Time, but instead I'm wearing sneakers because it's Pam and she always wears sneakers, and a cute little pink cardigan, and I've just done my hair in a very Pam style. Betty Boop is a fashion icon, but I hardly ever, I almost fall, but I hardly ever see any Halloween costumes of her, so I thought this was a gorge idea. So all you need is a black wig that's kind of short. This is actually a long one that I've just tied up, and a red dress, red heels, and some gold hoops, and boom, you are Betty Boop. A super easy DIY is Wilma from the Flintstones. All you need is a white crop top, a white skirt, and just hack at it. In my opinion, the rougher the cuts are, the better, because it's like a caveman, you know, and that's literally it. I'm going barefoot with this outfit, but you can wear shoes if you want to, obviously, but just because it's caveman, that's the vibe that I went with. Barbie is a great costume idea, especially if you're seeing this video super last minute. Barbie is so easy. All you need is a pink dress, some pink heels, a blonde wig, or if you've got long blonde hair, easy, and a tiara, and boom, you're Barbie. This Gossip Girl inspired Halloween costume is super easy to make. Sorry, it's kind of inspired by the show, but more so Blair Waldorf, because I feel like this is something she would definitely wear, and it's a great costume. What was that? Great. It's a great costume if you're going somewhere that's not like super dressed up, but you still want to have a little look together. I think this is perfect. Tinkerbell is one of my favorite Disney characters of all time, and honestly, part of my gay awakening, if I'm being honest here, so I had to include her in this video. So this gorgeous dress is from Pretty Little Thing, shoes are from Shein, and the wings are literally from the dollar store, and I love this costume. Everyone will know exactly who you are. Cruella is my favorite Disney villain of all time, so a Halloween costume inspired by her is super easy. I just put on this coat that's kind of like Dalmatian colored, and just went with a red and black theme, and again, some fluffy heels because it looks like, you know, the fluff of like the Dalmatians. In the classic Halloween costume section, I of course had to include a bunny. This is probably the most risque costume in this, but I really like it. So all it is a lace bodysuit, some boots, and this lace bunny ear set that I got from Boohoo, and I've also just paired this like lace masquerade thing just to add a little more detail to it, and I think it's super cute. Obviously, you know, a little bit sexy, so only wear it if you're of age, but I absolutely love it. A butterfly is another amazing costume idea because it's so easy. So I already owned this butterfly top. I literally got it from YesStyle, and then I paired it with a white skirt and some butterfly high heels and some wings, and boom! And butterflies are just such a beautiful animal. Insect, they represent so many nice things, and I think it's such a gorgeous costume. What is a Halloween costume video without a witch? Super basic outfit, but still super cute. Witch's hat, literally $1 from the dollar store, some black gloves, a black lace dress, and some fluffy heels to complete the look, and boom, we are a witch. Another Halloween classic is Cupid. It's super easy to do. All you need is any sort of red clothes, and I added some red fishnets just to give off more of a Cupid vibe. The wings, of course, and then the heels I paired with this costume. I have wings on them as well, just to keep going with that Cupid vibe. But it's literally so easy. If you want to be a little more risque, you can wear red lingerie, red bikini. If you want to like cover yourself up a bit more, just a red outfit basically with wings will give off the Cupid vibe. And it's a Halloween classic, but I actually don't see it done all too often. And those are 25 sexy Halloween costume ideas. So I don't want to hear from any of you that you don't know what you're being for Halloween. So be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well, because I'm posting lots of fun Halloween content on there as well, if that's something that you're interested in. And also be sure to subscribe to my vlog channel, because I'm uploading new videos on there every single week. And I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to comment down below anything else you want to see based around Halloween, and I will see y'all then. I love you. Bye. Mwah.